Let's bring in Bill Baruch. Bill, good morning to you. Stocks ending the year at new highs. We're a little soft today, but many headwinds, as we know, are in store for next year. Rate hikes, midterms, inflation, and more. So where do you see the markets heading next year?
Happy New Year, and thanks for having me on. You're right. There's a couple hurdles, especially early on, that we're going to have to face. Right now, the probability of a Fed rate hike in March is about 55%. So I think we've been able to enjoy this holiday rally and seasonality that the market is rebounded from. But the volatility, I don't think is going to go anywhere. I think the S&P in the near term, my upside target is about 4850. I'm planning with my clients on how can I sort of work through this volatility, what sectors are going to outperform. And I look at healthcare, energy, and I'm also invested in looking at Web3.
Okay, so where in healthcare? What in particular do you like there?
Well, AbbVie is a name that has just broken out of a consolidated multi-year trend, and it has outperformed recently very well. It's held very nice technicals throughout the whole time. You had in September some harsh selling, 7-10% down one day due to an arthritis drug that they were going to rework the labels, but the FDA ended up improving it, and then it has some extra tailwinds with the Build Back Better plan not being passed. So you've seen AbbVie breakout. That's a great stock right now, great company. I think higher to go. I wouldn't chase it though. Wait for it to come in just a little bit. Thermo Fisher and as well as IDEX Laboratories in the research and diagnostic space. Thermo Fisher has been a rocket ship this year. IDEX Laboratories is more of a consolidation, holding the 200-day moving average. Their focus is in the veterinary as well as livestock space. I think there's a lot of development, a lot of upside in that space, but also a very technical, good chart. The earnings extrapolation is very good there too. But if you back it out, the monthly chart, very nice bull flag. And then also, I think energy is going to outperform. I think crude oil, we're going to see back above $90 in the first half of next year. I'm long in stocks like Chevron and Pioneer. They have some trend line resistance multi-years that they're pushing back above right now. And I think those are going to add a tailwind technically. But also, these companies are really priced at $45, $50 crude. We see crude hold well here for a while. These stocks are going to perform.
Well, wow, you love energy because you have plenty of it. Very impressive stuff, Bill. Again, also, so it's healthcare, energy, Metaverse. Good stuff. Happy New Year to you. Thanks for joining us this morning. Thank you, Bill.